Hi everyone. We are going to look at reading like a historian and see what it's about. The Stanford History Education Group was founded in 2002 and is currently being used in all 50 states and 127 different countries. It was started by Sam Weinberg and it's made up of full-time staff, graduate students, practicing teachers, and undergraduate volunteers. It seeks to improve education by conducting research, working with school districts, and reaching directly into classrooms with free materials for teachers and students. The lessons are made up of primary and secondary sources, and the curriculum is based on Common Core state standards. Students will close read, they will reason, analyze, evaluate, and inquire. When you sign up for the website, you will see primary and secondary sources. When you click on a lesson or when you get on the web page, you will see lessons such as King Philip's War right here. It will include primary and secondary sources such as pictures and various documents the students can read. Teachers will have access to detailed lesson plans. As you can see right there, King Philip's War lesson plan. It gives you a central historical question. We call these EQs, essential questions. It tells you a list of materials that you need. It gives you notes. It lays out the entire plan for you. And all the materials that are listed there, you will find on the website further down. It also gives you PowerPoints, which has pictures, maps, various things to go with the lesson. And then it has guided questions for the students. So as they're reading these documents, they can analyze them and answer the questions. You also have what they call Beyond the Bubble assessment. It's not your everyday, just multiple choice A through D assessment. It is history assessments of thinking. They call them HATs. And this is what it looks like right here. It is easy to use assessments. It measures students' historical thinking, not just the recall of facts. It does come with a rubric. It has videos for the teachers to help deepen the understanding of what students will need to know. I watched one of the videos, and it basically goes through the different documents that's given or the pictures that are given, and it explains to the teacher how in-depth the students have to go into that topic, how in-depth the teacher needs to go into that topic for the students to actually gain the information. This is what it looks like though, and students will read the source, and then they have additional facts. Some of them say they have to choose one of the 4 facts, some of them say choose 2 of the 4 facts, and then they have to explain their reasoning. On the rubric that the teacher will use, it actually lists out 3 different things the teacher can choose from, and you will either be considered proficient, emergent, or basic. Proficient is where you chose the correct fact and you gave supporting evidence as to why you chose that one. Emergent is you chose the correct fact, but you didn't give enough evidence. And basic is you did not choose the correct fact. Reading like a historian offers professional development for teachers as well. On their website, there's links to other resources. It goes from the colonial period to the late 1900s, early 2000s. There is a lot there, but not every topic in our standards are in there at this time. You have about 90 for U.S. history and about 41 for world history. And as I said before, students are given a series of questions, not the answers, and they have to actually figure it out for themselves. They have to ask themselves, maybe what else do I need in order to answer that question? And it can be very effective in the classroom. It makes students question the sources and their reliability and to draw their own conclusions based on the facts. It is not asking them to just remember dates or terms. And I appreciate it. Thank you.